Hi guys, let's make some crunchy delicious Nigeria rock buns together. This is so delicious and crunchy, nice for parties and ceremonies. Here I have my flour, already sieved flour. I have some nutmeg. I have some baking powder, butter and sugar plus dry milk, powdered milk. Here I added my powder and the rest of the dry ingredients into my flour and some sugar. After adding everything together, I mixed thoroughly to combine the dry ingredients. After mixing everything to combine, I'll go ahead and add my butter. This is butter. I use salted butter, so I won't be needing any salt for this. Then I'll go ahead and add very cold water to this recipe. I'm adding cold water because I'll be needing it to be very rocky and crunchy on the outside. That's why I'm using cold water. After adding my cold water, I'll just mix my batter together for everything to combine. After mixing, this is my consistency I have. This is the texture I'm going for. After mixing, I'll cover to rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our batter is ready to be fried. I fry this on low medium heat, not very high and not very low, so that our buns will fry evenly and cook through very well on the inside. So I scooped in this batter bit by bit to the preferable size I want. After adding, keep stirring your bun so that it doesn't get burned. After 5 to 7 minutes, our buns is almost ready and it looks so nice and very fine and delicious. This is after about 7 minutes. Our buns is golden brown and ready to be taken off the fire. These are our buns, so simple and easy to make. It's so crunchy on the outside and moist inside. Super delicious and very easy to make.